Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. As you can see, I'm not quite prepared. I have so much leftover paint. This is just part of it. There's a whole nother batch over here you can't see. I haven't even prepped my canvas or anything, but I will be doing another Dutch pour. And today I'm going to try to control it a little bit. I know what I want, and I'm going to try for a sunflower. You will have to tell me if I succeeded or not. But enough dilly-dallying, and I got a lot of work to do here. So let's get to work. And there you have it. What do you think? Did I succeed? Do I have a sunflower? To me, I do. Here. This is the way I think it should go, like that, maybe. It actually looks like almost two. One straight up and one kind of laying down, but I have quite the imagination, and I've been told I only see what I want to see. But this is, to me, is really beautiful. And I hope you enjoyed it. I am really sorry. I will apologize for camera angles and stuff. I know my head was in the way. I am working on trying to fix that. I am doing my best. Trust me, you can yell at me if you like. In fact, leave me a comment down below telling me I should at least brush my hair or something. But I hope you enjoyed at least a little bit of it and got some inspiration out of it. And if you did, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you would like me to do, you know, what techniques you would like to see. There are so many, and I plan on trying them all. Yeah, all. And I really appreciate you guys stopping by, and I hope you stop by soon, because I will be back soon. You have a great week, and I'll see you later.